Hi, this is Ido with VirtualPBX. Today we're unboxing our POTS replacement, the AirDial. Our all-in-one POTS replacement solution saves you money while keeping your elevator and phone, as well as fax lines connected through redundant LTE and Ethernet. Put the box away. So right outside the box we can see it is a simple device. It comes with several extras. There's a wall mount right here, power cable, 2 antennas, 3 manuals right here, and then 4 phone wires. This device is lightweight, only 3 pounds, and small in size, 11 by 8 by 6 inches. This is the front right here. There are options for up to 4 phone lines, WAN, LAN, on-off switch, power, GPS outlets. This manual, zoom in into this a bit further. It's called AirDial. It's got the description and details. The back has 2 outlets, main and diversity, super straightforward. If you take the larger antenna right here, you just thread it right in, right hand, regular threaded, no tools needed. And then the same exact thing with diversity, the smaller antenna, you just thread it right in, like such. Hand tightness sufficient. And then if you mount into a wall, this is how it's going to look like. No need to do anything further. If it's going to be sitting on a table or a counter space, there's a little pivot here that allows the antenna to turn, go upwards like this. This needs to be a bit tighter and it will just stay in place. This AirDial, installing AirDial antennas, this little manual show you exactly how it should look like. Then lastly, we have this 18-page quick start guide that focuses on several things. Their package contents, account activation, assembly, how to connect AirDial to the internet, installing it, mounting instructions, monitoring and configuration, and of course, support. To learn more about the AirDial, please visit virtualpbx.com.